Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back. But this time we're back with something different. We've got this. This is a 3D printed Wild West bank. See, you can tell because it says the word bank there. And I thought I hadn't made any 3D printed terrain at all, so I thought I'd do this as a first. And I've got to say, it holds together very nicely. It's well made. Comes apart easily enough. Got some solid texture on there. Although there are a few little things that I'm not entirely keen on. Like here. Why are the ridges, the sort of the grain for the wood, why is it sticking out and not like recessed into it? That's more than a little bit weird. Not entirely keen on that. Also, why are the doors so shallow and tall? That's a bit weird. Same with the stairs. Look at this. This stairway here, that's so narrow. I mean, you wouldn't be able to fit a miniature on there. Look at it. I mean, this is meant to be 28mm as well. I don't know. I suppose they're going for hyper-realism or something, or its own aesthetic. I mean, I don't hate it, but it's... I don't know, just a bit weird. And this, what is it, welcome sign here. I've never seen a welcome sign that looks like that before. Usually we just get like some sort of a barrier mat or something. I don't know, but... it's fine. It's fine. So I picked this up and it was just over 20 quid. I thought, I'll give it a go. So my plan is to tidy it up a little because there is some little bits. You can see them just on the underside with the rails there. So that's some bits. There's also a bit of a gap going on here. You can see that. And that's just because I need to clean these recesses. They've got a bit of excess plastic in them. So tidy those bits off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint each layer black. Just take it apart, spray it all black, and then start painting it up. So I'm going to get to doing that. I'll start painting it all up and we'll see what it looks like once it's done. Bye for now. See you again soon. Hello again, and we're back. So how did we get on? Well, it's pretty good. I'm relatively happy with it. And yeah, it's just a simple paint job that we've kind of more or less gone for. Just several shades of brown and a stippling of white. It's that simple. And yeah, pretty effective as well. Definitely captures the aesthetic. Now, there were quite a few issues with it. Mainly these lanterns. They look like they're not quite very realistic. It's like they're just sort of ornamental ones rather than an actual lantern. So yeah, not really keen on that. Plus, they had lanterns up here, which make no sense. How would you sort of light them and put them out? You'd need a big bloody ladder, and there's nothing on the other side to suggest whatnot. But yeah, it's a minor criticism, so I just kind of, filed them down and whatnot, and just made them look relatively bland, and from a distance you don't even know. And on the side here, this is something I didn't really like, was these details sort of kind of molded on here. I much would have preferred that they came entirely separate and then you could glue them wherever you like. But this is what I paid for. I knew what I was letting myself in for, and I kind of dreaded painting them, but yeah, just a simple dry brush or overbrush has done the job. So yeah, it's not bad. And yeah, my biggest criticism of this bank, as it were, is that it looks like a glorified barn, and typically banks of this era would be made of bricks and mortar, because I mean it's holding a hell of a lot of money. What's to stop you from just ripping off a few plyboards and going into the bloody vault? Makes no sense. But Anyway, it's more or less just an aesthetic kind of add to the build. Don't think too much about it. It's just, simple addition. It looks Wild Westy, does the job. And yeah, I think for like just shy of 25 quid, you get plenty of bang for your buck. But I am wary of the minor criticisms, and as well as the planks on the floors here, like the grooves in them are actually popping out instead of being recessed, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but from a distance you don't bloody notice, so it's fine. Would I recommend this kit? Probably not, but it's worth the money, that's for sure. Yeah, but that's all I've got for you today. So, thanks again for watching, and bye.